Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can transfer photos from Google Drive to Gallery. So let's get right into it. Now, to transfer photos from your Google Drive to your gallery, it is very easy, and all you need to do is just download those folders, files, or photos and videos. To do that, you just access Google Drive through the device you want, and then you locate the ones you want. Now, if I go into my drive, as you can see, I can select multiple things, right click them, and I can click download, or I could just go and download singular ones by clicking on the ellipses and clicking download. And that's going to download it to your device. It will put it most likely in the downloads folder, from which point you need to go and locate it. And after you locate it, then you need to go forward and move it all the way back to your gallery where you want them to be. And that is essentially all there is to it. It is as easy as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video. And yeah, hope you learned something new. Please subscribe if you like our content, and I'll be seeing you. Bye.